Hey, so today we're going to be treating ourselves to burgers. And we're going to be making one of the easiest homemade vegan burgers out of chickpeas. We will need to saute 2 small chopped onions. I used the red onions, followed by 5 cloves of garlic. Saute them until they are almost brown or just before they start to reach the caramelizing stage. And if you are anything like me, you will just love the hissing sound of that onion frying in the pan, that you'd want to make this an ASMR video. And then we will be taking out our food processor, pour in 1 can of drained chickpeas, that's I think 400 grams, and then add our onion and garlic mixture with a dash of salt or to your taste. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of paprika powder, half a cup of finely chopped cilantro leaves, and the last ingredient for this recipe will be 3 tablespoons of flour. And if you want to make it gluten-free, you can use gluten-free flour. And this is actually a take or an adaptation of Loving It Vegan's take on Jamie Oliver's vegan burger recipe. We did made some changes from the Loving It Vegan's recipe, where we took out the coriander powder just because we do not have some available at home right now, and we added salt to taste. And we will be using pandesal for our bun because we do not have burger buns at the supermarket these days. We've tried a couple of weeks now, but the craving is just too much to take, so why not use pandesal, right? And I didn't want to touch the patty to flatten it out, so I just decided to scoop one out of the spoon and fry it like this. And the end result is actually the patty being crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, just like how it was described on the blog post of Loving It Vegan. And we will be adding in some mustard out of this patty and bread, and ketchup, of course, and 2 slices of tomatoes with, of course, our lettuce. And here's our burger. Hope you guys enjoy this, and if you will make it, please tag me and comment down below for any suggestions. Thank you. Bye.